Hey guys, Dale Malik here with Watch to Wear. Thank you for joining me today. So it's Sunday, October 27th, 2018. It's a rainy day here in Northeast Ohio, but I do have a surprise. I have an unboxing for you today. I just purchased this watch on eBay. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started with this unboxing today. Make a cut right there, and we'll make another one right here. Don't have the sharpest utensil or a knife, but I think it'll get the job done for us. Take one right there too as well. Okay. I think we can use our hand for the rest of it. All right. You can see that pretty good there. I'm going to move this back a little bit right there for you. Nicely packed. Okay. Very nice. All right, so let's put this box aside. Focus in on the red pack here. Looks like we can probably just take that off by our hand. Got another box right there. Very nice. Okay, put that aside. Frame that in there. Maybe we can zoom in just a tad. Hopefully that's focusing okay for you guys. Okay, so looks like the box is just going to lift up like so. Another box. Wow. All right, so what do we got here? This is our watchmaker that we purchased it from. Anderson Watchmaking. Vintage watches, sales and service, 888. Well, we don't want to get, well, here. I'm sure he'll probably want to advertise his product. Zoom in so we can just check it out. There we go. You can read it right there. And he does have some information on the back. It's a Hamilton Dunham 1959. What is that? 17 joules, caliber 747, 14 karat gold filled. Lizard strap. He values the watch at $400. Now I'm not going to tell you what I paid, but I did pay 400 bucks. I bought it on an auction. So let's flip over to back there. You can see the little note that he gave me. I would say that's a nice presentation. Okay. Put that aside. Zoom back out for you. Where's John when you need him, right? All right. So, I like these little folding collapsible boxes. Wow, that's a very interesting case. I'm not sure which way this is going to open, but let's just figure this thing out. So maybe this way? Well, if I'm wrong, I'm sure you're going to let me know. I am wrong, but let's just flip it. That's a cool looking case. All right, there we go. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try to zoom in now. All right, look at that. So let's pull it out. That is a beautiful, beautiful case. I've never seen a case like that before. There you go. There is the watch. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. See if we can get a keep coming in a little bit. Oh yeah. That's a beauty. There we go. I think the light won't reflect in that pretty good there. Okay, so we got a 1951 Hamilton Dunham. And this is my unboxing, and I think what we'll do is we'll wear it for about a week or so. Then we'll do a nice review on it. We do have a review coming up here very soon. And so I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to try to knock it out tomorrow. It's going to be kind of cool. I had a request to do a video on the watch that I own. So, but we're going to try to get to that tomorrow. But anyway, Thanks for watching this review. I'll put a couple wrist shots up right now at the end, some pictures. And hey, as always, make sure that you will always have a watch to wear.